In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I'm getting $1 CPMs on TikTok ads with Shopify dropshipping. If you're new to this channel, we talk about, of course, TikTok ads, e-commerce, dropshipping, pretty much how to make money online and use TikTok ads for your business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We also have a ton of free training linked below and a brand new ad spy tool that should be releasing within the next coming weeks called Spy Talk. It's how I found all my winning products. You can check that out and be one of the first 100 people to get access and a discount. But let's get straight into the video, guys, right? And you should be able to see my screen here this is a brand new ad account. We just spun this store up a few days ago, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing inside my ad account to get these really good results. Now, be aware, this is all complete payment, so that's what I'm optimizing for, and this is all inside one campaign to begin. And it's a brand new product, right? Brand new product, brand new store, and a lot of the metrics actually aren't being tracked as well. For some reason, on certain ad accounts, the TikTok pixel works, and on other accounts, it's just terrible. So this one is underreporting heavily. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys the profits towards the middle of the video. If you can, let your squirrel brain go for a second and actually hone in and lock in what I'm about to tell you, you'll be able to understand and use this for your store. So yeah, what we do is I'm a huge fan of cost caps. Now, cost caps is a type of bidding strategy on your TikTok ads. There's, right now there's cost caps, lowest cost, and value optimization. Those are three things that you can use inside your TikTok ads manager at the moment. If you want to see a value optimization strategy, hit the like on the video or comment below, and if you want a value one as well, I'll make it. I'm gonna start making more videos like this, almost like live audits if you guys are interested. Show some love on this video. But basically, we have a ton of ACO ad groups, which is automated creative optimization, with US as the location, broad as a targeting, so broad, completely broad, no targeting at all, nothing. Ages 18 to 55 plus, male and female, and like I said, with that ACO. And what we like to do is we like to have the budget super high, so a $200 daily starting budget for our ACOs. And then the bid, I'm not gonna really show you the bid right here because it's a part of what we're doing right now, but just know it's a bidding, it's cost cap. We're using cost cap bidding with different decimals at the ending. So say if you have a cost cap of $19.42, okay, or $19.50, you can do that. So different types of bids that we're gonna be using. And I'm gonna show you guys right now kind of how we're getting these results. So you can see here, 10-cent CPCs, 82-cent CPMs, versus this is with the lowest cost ad group. So this is the lowest cost as optimization, 21 cent CPC and a $2 CPM. That's pretty much basing off of lowest cost versus cost cap here. And you can see this has 8 conversions, and I said this before, the tracking is terrible on it. But basically the strategy is this: you scale through bid caps at different bids, and you duplicate those bids. So say if we have, you see a ton of these are the same ad groups, but with different creatives and different bids. So if we have this ad group right here, US broad, 18 to 55 plus, female, ACO, with our date 7/14/22. These are brand new ads I launched today. And what's the difference between about this campaign and let's say this one right here, the 7/12 ads, is it's a whole brand new ACO. And what do I mean by this? So usually inside these ACOs we'll have 3 to 5 different ad creatives and 3 ad copies, right? 3 ad texts. Now on this day we have totally separate creatives. So 3 to 5 brand new creatives in this ACO on the 7/12, right? 2 days ago when I launched this, and then the 7/14 one has totally different ad creatives, but with the same ad copies. So that's how you're going to be able to scale. So you basically, for example, if this campaign right here was doing super well, the 7/12 at a $17 bid, what we would do is obviously we want to duplicate that and keep raising the budget. That's something that we can do, or we can have more creatives. So what I do is I scale through creatives. I'll duplicate that same bid, that $17 bid, with brand new creatives and a brand new ACO campaign. So I'll have new creatives chopped up by a team, or I'll shoot them myself, right? You can literally use your phone right here, this thing in my hand, an iPhone. If you have an Android, like I said, I always feel sorry for you because it's harder to shoot content. But use your iPhone and you shoot new content and use that same winning bid. But all you do now is duplicate it in a brand new ACO, ad group with the same bid. And then basically you literally do that. You go through positive feedback and you figure out what's working and what bids are working. Then you take what creatives are working and make more of them, right? Just keep making creatives, keep testing bids. And that's how you're gonna be able to snipe these low CPCs and CPMs doing that. Now you'll be like, oh, Team Earth, bro, your CTR isn't above 1%. It doesn't matter. If the CPM is dirt cheap like that, of course your click-through rate is gonna be much lower. And then there's probably gonna be a bunch of comments in the bottom, oh, that's probably trash traffic, dude. Well, dude, it's probably not trash traffic because I'm waiting to scale this up even higher. I'm just waiting on the payment processing side to be cleared because I don't want to scale and then have all my money held. So right here is the dashboard from July 11th when we launched the store to July 13th. You could see we did 3K in rev. What is that, about $1,000 a day? But the margin is 36%. Like, that's really good for an e-commerce store at this scale, right? Some people only do 10 to 15% at scale, but at this rate, this is solid. So you can't really tell me this is bad traffic because it's converting, right? It's converting, and that's why this is important. It converts, it works. So try this on your ad account. Like I said, duplicate bids and test with new creatives, and they don't have to be totally different. You could switch up the first couple seconds. You could switch up the headlines, the hooks. That's going to be the key to be able to scale on this. And then, like I said, $200 daily budgets. You can scale them that way. If you guys want more information on this, like I said, we do have a bunch of videos I'm going to be making. So like this video, subscribe if you found any value, because I will make more videos like this. You guys just have to tell me that you enjoy these type of live audits and strategies that I share. Otherwise, it's not really worth my time. I'll just keep running these without sharing. It's really more for you guys, right? I want to share this with you because it shows you how I'm making money and pretty much how you can do this inside your TikTok ads account as well. Hopefully this was a bit clear. If it wasn't clear, maybe drop some comments below. Let me know in the comments section if you need any help with it or you're just confused, and all that stuff. So like I said, free information for you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you sign up for Spy Talk. It's linked in the description, a brand new ad spy tool. It's going to destroy the game. That's how I find these winning products that get me results like this. Like, I'm using the beta right now. If you want to use the beta, be one of the first 100 people to actually get in on it, make sure you sign up from the link below. There's only going to be a one ever beta discount, and you're going to be grandfathered in. After the beta is done, you will not be able to access it and get that grandfathered price. Okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I look forward to making this again if you want something like this. And I hope you keep crushing it and use this strategy to scale your TikTok ads. Peace.
How many millions did I make this year? Maybe 12. All I need's a couple weeks to make it 13. Me, I can stay in touch and still be out of your reach.